Welcome to Master Chinese Writing Channel. Stroke order made easy.
Hi, welcome back. Today's character is
外
the symbol of outside. Let's learn.
Section 1. Stroke order, meaning and usage.
外
5 strokes to define outside.
撇横撇捺竖捺外
Means outside. Use it in words like
外面
outside,
外国
foreign country. Now that you know how to write,
外
let's learn some useful words and phrases.
Section 2. Common words and phrases.
Common words and phrases.
外国人
Foreigner,
外出
go out,
外套
coat or jacket.
Section 3. Example sentences.
Example sentences.
外面下雨了
It's raining outside.
他来自外国
He is from a foreign country.
Section 4. Fun fact.
Did you know? In internet slang,
外
is playfully used in phrases like
外国人
a phonetic pun on
外国人
foreigner.
Section 5. Interactive challenge.
Now it's your turn. Quiz. What does 外出 mean in English? Comment below. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more Chinese lessons. Comment below which Chinese character you want to learn. See you on next video for another character. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.